guys, so today I'm coming to you guys with a video on how I remove my peach fuzz from my face. Today is maintenance day for me. If you're a girl, you already know what that means. You just maintain your whole self. So yeah, so it's dermaplaning on your face. It's when you remove all the peach fuzz. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Hopefully it will. But I just have so much peach fuzz. Look at that. And I thought I was one of the very few people that went through this, but surprisingly there's a lot of girls that have peach fuzz in their face. So this is a new thing that's been popping up maybe for the last year or two, but I've been doing it ever since I was 16 because I could just not stand my peach fuzz in my face. So what I use is this finishing touch type of dermaplaner, and it lights up and it does it sounds intense, but it's not. So these little trimmer guys go really fast and they remove all your peach fuzz. Now some people, they will actually get a eyebrow shaper type of thing. Let's see if I can find one here. They'll get like a type of eyebrow shaper type of thing, but I feel like this blade is too rough to use in the face, in my face. That's just me personally. I don't like rough blades to go up against my face. I just feel like it just wouldn't be right. These trimmers are much softer, and I don't feel like when you cut the hair it won't grow thicker. So if you're worried about that, no, it will not grow thicker. For me, I have not experienced that using this. As for a blade, I know when I use blades for shaving my legs or stuff, just because of the sharp edge of the blade and the way it cuts your hair, that's what makes it look thicker. So that's why I've been using the finishing touch. So let me get you guys started on that. First, we're gonna start right over here, you see, and you might experience a little redness, but nothing to worry about. Let me show you guys my setup as well. This is my setup. I have this mirror that I got from the Wish app, and it has a magnifying glasses on all. I use the same mirror for my eyebrows, and it lights up, and it was literally $17 from the Wish app. So yeah, it's pretty neat and dope. So let me see if I can show you guys a sample of my peach fuzz being removed. Let's do a little chin hair because I feel like those pick up more, which is so disgustingly gross. You see? Already getting removed. And it's not painful at all. And it's quick and easy, and I don't have to waste a ton of money going to the salon. And then with this, it also comes with a little brush, so you just swoop that up, and that's pretty much it. And it uses AA batteries, so the little skinny batteries, just one, and that's it. And I've had to replace this just twice, so this is my second one. So it lasts you for a couple of years. The only reason why I replaced it was because I felt like the blades from the other one weren't working as well, you know, through all those years 5 years or more, you're gonna want to replace them just so you could get a sharper, better, smoother look. And doing this, it helps your makeup glide on smoother, your skincare products penetrate in deeper, and just you have a flawless, more appealing appearance, just a flawless look in general. So yeah, I'll be back to you guys. All right, so let's get you see all of that? Oh, look at that. Ugh. So we'll get started on that. And then going up in the sideburns area, I'll show you how I do that. But I maintain its shape. You don't want to go too much on that, so you still maintain that little swoop that it has there. And then I go down on my neck too. And after I'm done dermaplaning, I will go ahead and exfoliate just to get all the peach fuzz that has fallen off of my face, and your face just feels more fresher. And going near your eyebrows too, you want to be careful with that. So you're going in an upward motion against your hair growth. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done removing all the peach fuzz from my face. As you guys can see, all that is gone. And you just feel your skin so much smoother. So this I will do probably, I want to say, every 3 weeks, once a month. And I just love the results after I do this. And this literally costs, what, $10 or less? And yeah, you could save yourself some money and do everything at home. Do everything on your own. You got this. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.